Hi everyone, today we will give a tutorial on how to install hybrid Huracan into a car using the belt system. So hybrid Huracan is a toddler seat, it's a booster seat, so it's suitable from 1 years old to 12 years old. Okay, to install the hybrid Huracan in a car seat, okay, just place the seat close to the back. Okay, simply pull the belt. Okay, release the belt, car seat belt. So you'll see the indicator for this. Actually, the hybrid Huracan, they have a indicator here. Alright, you see from a 9 kg to 18 kg installation, 15 to 25 kg, and 22 kg above. This is actually a 1 years old to 4 years old, 4 to 7, 7 to 12 years old. Alright. Okay, we will show you how to install a seat belt for hybrid Huracan. Okay, so release the belt, cross to the buckle here, the indicator here is the bottom part. Then you can see inside the back seat here, they have a red color indicator. Okay, easy. So now, for the bottom part, cross over the bottom. Then upper part, cross over here. Now, these buckles slot into this red indicator here, to the back. Okay, to the back. You'll see that here is a hole here. Okay, coming out from here, the belt. Okay, make it longer. Okay, then cross before. Okay, inside the 5-point harness. Okay, do not put here. You will block the belt release. Okay, so put inside here. Okay, slot over. Okay, make it longer. And then come out from here. Okay, you see the red color here, indicator. Just pull it out. So the belt will come out from this position. Okay. Okay, getting longer. Alright. Now everything's okay. Then last is going down from here. There's an indicator from the left. This is the right, this is the left. Alright. Both together go down and slot in the buckles. Okay, this is a settle the installation. Now what we do is we have to tighten the belt. Okay, make sure you pull back all the belt. Okay, as tight as possible. All right, just tighten it. See, they have still space, so just pull it back. All right, done. The installation for hybrid Huracan is very tight. It's very strong now. Alright, thank you.